Okay. Balikan ko uli yung press con na yan. Nilabas. And then, suddenly, tinabi na may conflict naman ako, being the mayor, and at the same time, being a member of the ICI. By the way, I'm not a member of the commission. I'm not a commissioner there. In fact, sila nga yung gumawa ng workaround nun na legal advisor investigator. Pero inis out na ako nun eh. Tinanggal na nila lahat. And then suddenly, here comes a below-the-belt naman na accusation na ay dahil merong project si Diskaya doon at maanumalyang tennis court. Ay, sobra na yan. Yun na hindi ko matake. Di ba? Parang pinapalabas mo pa na korap ako. Ay, yan na. Mag-aaway na tayo dyan. Ano? Sa unang-una, sabihin ko nga, kung bulok ba ako, lalabanan ko yung mga very powerful na tao dyan. Di ba? You have to make sure that you have the moral ascendancy bago mo labanan yung mga tao. Otherwise, masisira ka din. So nonetheless, I think I struck a nerve. No? I don't like to, expound further. But I believe I struck a nerve or several nerves na they panic at kaya ganun ngayon nangyari. So I would like to end yung aking experience dyan sa ICI. But one thing that I can say is that there's no transparency. There's no transparency whatsoever. Nakita namin yan ni Secretary Vince. Tinago lahat. No? And they are just so comfortable doing it. They're not afraid. Imagine, hindi man lang nila naisip na paano ang taong bayan. Nakaka-insulto pa. At ito nga, lately nga, sinabi pa na yung involved na congressman dyan, si Saldico, he did not abandon it. It was a sacrifice. My God! Nagdakaw ka ng bayan, kasi sasabihin mo, it was a sacrifice on your part. And it's not an abandonment. Ganyan na ba kababa yung standard natin sa Kongreso, Mr. Chair? Ganyan na ba tayo kawalang hiya ngayon? Manhid, di ba? Napaka callousness, hypocrisy. At nakaka-insulto sa mentalidad natin Pilipino.